To begin troubleshooting your Logitech camera on Windows 11, first launch an application that utilizes your camera. Observe what happens once the application opens. Next, right-click on your Start button and select Settings. From the left-hand menu, navigate to the Privacy and Security tab. In the right pane, locate and select Camera. Allow this list to load. Ensure that the switch is toggled on for the specific application you are using your camera with. Now, return to your application. Click on the three dots associated with it, then select Settings. Here, you will need to find the Camera option. This might be located within the Privacy tab or the Devices tab. Confirm that the correct camera is selected in the Devices tab. Once you have verified these settings, make sure your camera is physically working. Check if the camera's indicator light is on. If these steps do not resolve the issue, search for Device Manager and open it. Expand the list of camera drivers. Right-click on your camera driver and select Update Driver. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.